Hello class, my name is Felix Kano and today I'm going to be your professor. Today we're going to be showing you how to fix a dent. This is a Honda Accord trunk lid. As you can see, I've already sanded it with a DA. It's you see where the dents are at here, here, and here. I'm going to apply the body filler here, and the body filler I'm going to be using the body filler here. What I'll do is I always safety first, of course. So we're going to put the mask on, make sure that it's on it correctly as we put it on. Always make sure that you pinch here. You got to pinch it to it seals here. Gloves, safety glasses for precaution. Take the top off. This is the body filler we're going to be using. We mix it up real good. You got to make it up and mix it up in circles. That way you don't put pinholes in there where air gets trapped inside there. I'll do. Put some there as we're putting it on. That should be about enough. Okay. Then the body. Always remember to put the top back on so no dirt or anything gets inside there. This is the bundle hardener. It's a blue color. For every golf ball size you want to use about 2 inches, so that should be about right. Here's the bundle spreader that we use, and what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to fold it. But whenever I say fold it, you're just gonna fold it to mix it only for now. Once you get it going, then you have to spread it down. Spread it. See how I got it spread out like that? The reason you want to do that is because you don't want no air trapped in there. And for those of y'all that know what pinholes are little bitty holes, air pockets that get in there. And this is the way, by doing it this way, I'm able to eliminate the pinholes, or at least 98% of it. But this is the way it should be spread. This is the way you mix it. You can see how even I'm coming across here, making sure all the little pinholes are out. Fold it again, mix it up. Once it's mixed, see how I got it mixed? Then I come over here and I'm gonna apply it. Downstroke to cover the dent. And then here, I'm applying the Bondo to cover the dent. Come back with different kind of strokes to make it even. That way I'll make sure I get the whole dent. As you can see how I applied it. Come back over here. Sometimes you do have some kind of excess. Like that. Grab the paper. Bondo board is a safety Bondo board. The paper is you throw there, wrap it up in there where there's no mess. Throw that away. Now, since I've applied it here, I've already applied it here. And you can see it's already cured. That's going to be drying, but I've already applied it where it's nice and hard, dried, cured. Being cured for about 10 to 15 minutes. This paint that I'm putting on here is it's a guide coat. What this does is going to show the imperfection of what the low spots and the high spots. Okay. So now I have blocks. These are special blocks for the body shop, and I'm going to be using 80 grit. 80 grit. The lower the number, the stronger, the more aggressive the paper is. So remember, the lower the number, the more aggressive, the bigger the scratch. So what we do is come with even strokes all the way like that. You see how I'm doing? See how I use the guide coat? See, you can see the low spot. Here, and the guide code is actually showing you how to. So this is 80 grit that I'm using. See my imperfection here. Nice even stroke. So here, you see how the little circle's going a little farther, a little smaller. That means I'm evening it out from here. It's not just a dent. It's got to be all this area up in here to make it uniform from one end to the other. Always use long strokes as you go. Remember, I'm using the 80 grit. The lower the number, the more aggressive the scratches, okay? See how my dent's getting smaller, uniform, all the way around. Starting to disappear here. As you can see, it's all uniform all the way around. Now, even though I got a little bit here, but it's okay. The only reason I say it is because now I'm going to switch papers. This is 80 grit. Now, I'm going to go a little finer. Remember what I told you. 120. The higher the number, the less aggressive the paper is. Okay? So what I'm doing is I'm getting rid of the 80 grit. I'm using 120. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm getting ready for it to go to the paint department. When you finish this to the paint department, 80 grit is too strong, too aggressive. The scratches are too big. So now, I got everything seems to be uniform. Nice big long strokes. Now my dent's almost gone. Now, 180. 80, 120, 180. Now, as I saying, the aggressive scratches are less and less now that I'm using 180. Okay. Now, as you can see, it's done with 180. The dent's gone, ready to be sent to the paint department. Okay, it's done with 180. Feather edge here. That's the way it should look. If we come back over here, the short amount of time, but see, this is already getting hard. That's what I applied on there. So, for today's class, this is how you mix Bondo. This is how you spread Bondo. We use 80, 120, 180. You see the powder. That's why you wear mask, safety gloves to protect yourself, okay? So, there are different kind of blocks, different kind of sanding blocks, different kind, smaller blocks, round blocks, tube blocks, even different kind of curved blocks, okay? So, that is a lesson for today. Tomorrow, when you come in, we're going to be talking about two-part epoxy, okay? All it is totally different from super glue. Uh-oh. Two-part. It's a two-applicator gun. This tube mixes these two together. That'll slip inside there like that. There. 2 parts. It's a panel bond, and this is the new age for this time of year, for this type. But thank you very much, and be careful going home. and see y'all tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.